Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nata, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to find the missing number that is in equivalent fractions. Now, like the previous video, we do have 3 example questions here that we are going to be using to demonstrate. So feel free to pause the video now and try them out before I walk you through how to find the missing number. Now, in addition to these 3 examples, we do have extra questions that is in a form of quizzes on our website at run.com.na. Now, with that said, let me just demonstrate how you get access to these quizzes. Now, given that majority watch our channel videos on mobile phones, I have done a screen recording on mobile. Open your browser, type in run.com.na. This will bring you to our homepage. Now, once you're on our homepage, click on the e-learning button. Once you click on that button, it will bring you to the login page that is written login to your existing account. But since you are new and don't have an account, scroll down and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, this will bring you to create a new account page. Fill in your details, and once you are done filling in your details, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on create account. This will bring you to this page. Now, once you have filled in your details, you do need to activate your account. So you will receive an email. If you don't see that email, do check your spam or junk folder. So to demonstrate, this is how the email will look like. All you need to do is click on activate your account and you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see here now, it says your account is now active. So you can log in with the credentials that you typed in when you were creating your account. Once you log in, you will be redirected to this page where you should click on Proceed to e-learning. Once you are on e-learning, click on Enroll Course. And you will get the success message. Now, once you have enrolled, this is where you will have access to the quizzes, which will be updated as we upload the videos. For example, quiz 1 over here, which is expressing a fraction in its simplest form. The passing rate is 80%, but if you fail to get that, do not worry. You can retry as I give you 3 attempts. Alright, now with that said, let's take a look at example number 1. So we are asked to find the missing number, which is this one where the question mark is. So what we do is, the first thing is to ignore where the question mark is and focus on the side where we have both numbers. Okay? Now look at these 2 sentences. So the first one says from a small number to a big number, multiply. And then the second one says from a big number to a small number, divide. What do I mean by this? When we focus on the side where we have both numbers, if we are to move from 2 to 8, that means we are moving from a small number to a big number, which is the first sentence. So we are going to multiply, or in other words, it means that 2 was multiplied with a certain number to get 8. So what is that certain number? To get the certain number, you just say 8 divided by 2, which will give you 4. Now this means 2 was multiplied by 4 to get 8. So feel free to test that. And if it is true, That means 3 multiplied by the same number, which is 4, will give you your missing number. Okay? Just remember that whatever you do on top, you also do at the bottom. So what is 3 multiplied by 4? That is 12. And 12 is the missing number. Let's take a look at example number 2. Again, now this time around the missing number is a numerator. But if you look at the left hand side, we have both numbers. So we focus where we have numbers. Okay? So if we are to move from 22 going to 11, are we moving from a smaller number or are we moving from a bigger number? Now 22 is bigger than 11, so we are moving from a big number to a smaller number. This means this number was divided with a certain number to get 11. How do we get that certain number again? We take the 22, we divide it by 11, we get 2. Meaning 22 was divided by 2 to get 11. Okay? Now, if that is true, that means that if we divide 6 by the same number, which is 2, we get the missing number, which in this case is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our missing number is 3. Let's take a look at the final example. So now we focus where we have numbers. This time around it's on the right hand side. So if we are to move from 5 to 15, are we moving from a small number or a big number? 5 is smaller than 15, so it's obviously from a small number to a big number. This means 5 was multiplied with a certain number to get 15. How do we find that certain number again? We take the bigger number, which is 15, divided by 5, we get 3. So that means 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. Now, if that is true, that means if we multiply 8 by that same 3, we will get the missing number. Okay? So what is 8 multiplied by 3? That's 24. And 24 is the missing number. Now with that said, thank you very much for watching this video. Cheers!